Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tech 2 AI. If you're here, you're probably trying to download all your photos and videos from Google Photos. Maybe your Google account storage is full, maybe you're switching phones, or maybe you just want a proper backup on your computer. And when you start looking for a solution, you quickly realize one thing. Downloading photos one by one is not practical, and most third-party apps or websites are either confusing, limited, or risky. So in this video, I'm going to show you the official, safest, and easiest way to download all your photos and videos at once using Google Takeout. No third-party apps, no tricks, no quality loss, just the exact method Google itself provides. Now before we jump into the steps, let me quickly explain why downloading your Google Photos actually makes sense. And I'll share my own case so you can relate to it. In my case, my Google account storage is more than completely full. For the last few months, I've stopped receiving emails, and even my phone is no longer able to auto-sync files, photos, or videos. This account has around 20 to 22 years of photos and videos. All my memories are stored here, and I definitely don't want to lose them. So I decided to download all my photos and videos to my PC first, check them properly, decide what I want to keep and what I don't, and then arrange everything in a clean way. After that, I'll take a proper backup either on an external hard drive or upload them to another Google account so that I can free up space in my main Google account. By the way, I've also made another video on how to free up space in your Google account without losing any data. You can click the I button above to watch that video as well. Now let's get started with the steps. You can directly open Google Takeout by searching for it in your browser. Or you can also reach it this way. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then click on the six-dot menu and open Google Photos. You can do the same process on your mobile phone to save the photos in your phone's gallery. Once Google Photos opens, open Settings. Now scroll down and look for the option Export Your Data. Click on that. Here, if you click on Learn More, Google shows some important points. You can read them if you want to understand the process better. Now, click on Backup. This will directly take you to the Google Takeout page. Once the Google Takeout page opens, you'll see that everything is selected by default. We don't need that. Click on Deselect All. Now scroll down and select only Google Photos. If you want, you can also choose specific albums. But if you want everything, just leave all albums selected. Next, scroll down and click on Next Step. Here's what I recommend you choose. For delivery method, select Email Download Link. For file type, choose Zip. And for file size, select 10 GB or 50 GB, depending on how much data you have. If your data is large, Google will split it into multiple files. That's completely normal. Now click on Create Export. Google will start preparing your files. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on how many photos and videos you have. You don't need to keep this page open. Google will send you an email once everything is ready. As my storage is full and I am not receiving any email, I will directly go to Google Takeout. If you receive the email, click on the download link. Sign in again for security. You will see multiple download links as it has split the files in parts. Download all the zip files. After downloading, extract the files and store them safely on your PC, an external hard drive, or another cloud backup. You can also check and delete any file if you feel you don't need it. This is the only method officially provided by Google, and it ensures you get full quality photos and videos without risking your account. I personally recommend doing this at least once every few months. If this video helped you, hit the like button and hype this video. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tech guides. And comment below if you want a video on freeing up Google storage without deleting your memories. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.